to make this?
I used the Music Mouse. It's called Music Mouse. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called.
Tell me a little bit about that piece of software.
Well, it's an interesting thing. It plays when you just move the mouse. It plays the notes. You could tell it to play arpeggios or just chords. And every time you move the mouse, it plays a couple of notes. And so if you get into the rhythm of it, you could actually make something that sounds like maybe you know what you're doing. Well, I'll let you guys decide. Here it comes.